How to cancel your Instacart order. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily cancel your order on Instacart. Now, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy. Once on Instacart, whether you are on the application or you are on the web here. Now what you can do is you can simply tap on the three horizontal line icon that you can see at the top left there. Once here, you can see the option that says stores, and below it you can see your orders, right? You can simply tap on your orders and you'll be able to find your orders here. You can simply tap on the particular order that you wish to cancel and then tap on cancel order. Then you want to submit the reason and you'll be good to go. So this is how you can cancel an order on Instacart. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.